New Mexico, the land of enchantment. The diverse topography and geography of this state make it home to a wide range of weather phenomena. The snow-capped mountain peaks, towering cumulus clouds, brilliant lightning, and vibrant sunsets all complement the unique landscape of New Mexico. Over the next few minutes, we will review some of the more significant weather events of 2015 across northern and central New Mexico. In many respects, 2015 was a transition from the drought-stricken pattern that had impacted the state between 2011 and 2014. Some timely snowstorms kicked off the year, adding some meager but much-needed snowpack to the mountains of New Mexico, while also bringing very beneficial ground moisture to lower elevation plains and valleys. In January alone, 4 notable storm systems swept through northern and central New Mexico. The combination of snowfall, low clouds, and even the development of frost helped shape some picturesque scenes of a New Mexico winter wonderland. On January 9th, Joshua Thomas captured this incredible image of atmospheric optics while visiting Red River. While sundogs and 22-degree sun halos are commonly seen in winter months, the scene Joshua captured had several unique and rarely seen optical phenomena caused by a low sun angle and properly oriented ice crystals in high cirrus clouds. After a hiatus in the first 3 weeks of February, the winter storm track became more active during the last week of the month and into early March. February 27th and 28th were especially notable with substantial snowfall in central portions of New Mexico, including 9 inches of accumulation recorded in Albuquerque. This made it the second snowiest February on record at Albuquerque. Into the spring months, May brought several interesting weather events to New Mexico. Significant flash flooding was observed in Clovis on May 4th when 3 to 5 inches of rain fell within a very short duration. On the very next day, a funnel cloud developed over the Roswell area and briefly touched down on the western side of town. 2 outbuildings were damaged, and National Weather Service personnel surveyed the damage, giving it a rating of EF0 with estimated peak winds of 80 miles per hour. As cool and wet weather persisted through May, more severe weather was observed in the eastern plains of New Mexico in the final days of the month, including a tornado near Milnesand. Christian Cleary, an accomplished storm photographer, captured these breathtaking images of the elephant trunk tornado just prior to sunset. Fortunately, no damage or injuries were reported over the remote plains of Roosevelt County. While June and early July can often be the heart of wildfire season in northern and central New Mexico, very few wildfires broke this year thanks to some timely snowstorms earlier in the winter and an extended, cool, wet period in May. The Commissary Fire in the Pecos Wilderness and the Red Canyon Fire in western Socorro County were 2 of the larger wildfires. Both were ignited by lightning. Despite the low numbers of wildfires in New Mexico, smoke impacts were still observed late in the summer. Devastating wildfires in the Pacific Northwest transported smoke thousands of miles southeastward into New Mexico in late August. While some outsiders may label New Mexico as being exempt from severe weather, we have multiple pictures to prove otherwise. One such stretch was on August 17th and 18th, when severe thunderstorms were observed over portions of north-central to northeastern New Mexico. This event produced multiple reports of hail damage to cars, broken skylights, and shattered windows. Over the 2-day event, Union County was by far hit the hardest, with 18 severe thunderstorm warnings issued for that county alone. Central and eastern New Mexico witnessed additional bouts of severe weather on October 19th, 20th, and the 21st. Severe thunderstorms developed by 6 a.m. on the 19th across Socorro County. On the 20th, severe weather, including large hail and flooding, favored areas south of Interstate 40. A long-lived supercell thunderstorm developed over Chavez County early on the 21st and tracked north-northeast for approximately 150 miles. Golf ball to tennis ball size hail was common along the path, and heavy rainfall amounts between 2 and 4 inches were also common across Roosevelt and Curry counties. The exclamation point on the year came in the form of a harsh winter storm that dumped copious amounts of snow across central New Mexico and crippled the eastern tier of the state with blizzard conditions. Just after the Christmas holiday, a deep low pressure system dove southward near the U.S.-Mexico border. Very cold temperatures accompanied the storm, and with a slow eastward track, a widespread footprint of hefty snow fell over New Mexico. Locations along and immediately east of the central mountain chain of New Mexico observed between 1 and 2 feet of new snow within less than 36 hours. And the eastern plains of the state were exposed to a jarring cold front, with wind gusts of 60, 70, and even 80 miles per hour. The severe gusts not only caused damage to trees, homes, and other structures, but they also caused excessive blowing and drifting of the heavy snow with a long duration of whiteout conditions. Hundreds of additional images were captured throughout this year, showcasing the beauty and the power of New Mexico weather. invite you to visit our website at weather.gov/abq, where you can find a network of web pages highlighting 2015 weather events for northern and central New Mexico. Keep those cameras handy and enjoy watching the skies in 2016.